Once upon a time, in a small town named Bloomville, there was a magical garden hidden deep within the heart of the enchanted forest. This garden was no ordinary place. It was filled with vibrant flowers that sparkled like diamonds, talking animals, and whimsical creaturies. In Bloomville, there lived two best friends, Lily and Oliver. Lily had a special gift. She could understand the language of animals. One sunny morning, as the children were playing near the edge of the forest, they heard a soft, melodic voice calling out to them. "Hello, young adventurers! Your help is needed in the Enchanted Garden," said a wise old owl perched on a tree branch. Curious and excited, Lily and Oliver followed the owl through the mystical forest until they reached the entrance of the Enchanted Garden. There, they discovered that the once lively and colorful garden was losing its magic. The magical creatures explained that the source of the garden's magic, the Enchanted Crystal, had been stolen by a mischievous sprite named Sparkle. Without the crystal, the flowers were wilting, and the animals were losing their ability to talk. Determined to restore the garden's magic, Lily and Oliver set off on a quest to find Sparkle and retrieve the Enchanted Crystal. Along the way, they encountered challenges like tricky riddles, enchanted puzzles, and friendly forest creatures who offered their guidance. As Lily and Oliver ventured deeper into the enchanted forest, they discovered Sparkle's hiding place, a secret cave filled with shiny treasures. To get the crystal back, they had to outsmart Sparkle using their wits and teamwork. In the end, the children successfully retrieved the enchanted crystal and returned it to the garden. As a token of gratitude, the magical creatures of the Enchanted Garden threw a grand celebration, complete with a feast and a dazzling display of fireworks. Lily and Oliver's bravery and friendship saved the day, and the Enchanted Garden flourished once more. From that day forward, the children were known as the heroes of Bloomville, and they continued to visit the magical garden, sharing stories of their adventures with the enchanted creatures. And so, the tale of the Enchanted Garden adventure became a favorite bedtime story in Bloomville, inspiring generations of young dreamers to believe in the magic that can be found when one embarks on a journey with an open heart and a loyal friend by their side.